All right, you guys, so we have our mild cheddar, our white cheddar, and our Oktoberfest in our crock pot. This is gonna be so good, you guys. Now I'm coming in with some cream cheese. This is gonna be amazing. Just put that right on the side of those cheeses. The cheesier, the better. Now, to kind of combat that like strong beer taste, we're going in with some Dijon mustard. Okay, and we're just gonna do a nice little swirl, not too much, about 2 tablespoons should be plenty. Okay, now we gotta season this baby up. I have some garlic powder here, and what we're making here today is a beer cheese dip, and it is so good. I love making this for, football Sunday, for, when a big party's coming over. It's so easy and so delicious. I'm gonna go ahead and grab some salt. You don't need too much salt because obviously the cheese is salty on its own, but it's always nice to salt and pepper things. So we're gonna add our pepper. Beautiful. And then last but not least, and this is totally optional, this is delicious even without it, but I cannot do without it, we have some bacon bits. Oh yeah, this is gonna be good, you guys. And we're just gonna sprinkle that right in there. And you can use whatever beer you like. It doesn't have to be Oktoberfest. I just had Oktoberfest in my fridge, so that's why I went with that. I'm actually gonna go ahead and move our white cheddar to the side so we have our 3 cheeses right next to each other. That is looking good. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and put our lid on, and we're gonna set this to high. Woo, it's gonna be good. All right, so it's been about 1 hour, so I wanted to give it a check and give it a mix.
Oh, it got you right in the face, huh?
Woo! That is one strong beer cheese.
Oh, I smell it now.
Okay, so it's not fully melted yet, so we're probably gonna need about like 30 more minutes, but oh my goodness, we can break up that cheese. It is wanting to get there. Put that lid back on and get this finished. While our beer cheese is in the crock pot, I'm gonna go ahead and grab a sheet pan because we need something to dip in that beer cheese, and that is gonna be some pretzels. Oh yeah.
Yum.
Go ahead and grab these out. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm just gonna cut these so they're like the perfect bite size, and I have a sheet pan because we're gonna toast these up. Yeah. Oh my goodness, this is gonna be such a great dipping. I love Hawaiian sweet rolls, so when I saw these pretzel buns, I knew these were gonna be the perfect thing to dip into our beer cheese. And my oven is set to 375, and this is gonna take like 5 to 10 minutes, depending on how toasty you want them. All right, you guys, so it's been an hour and a half total. Now we're gonna put this on warm and check it out. Woo! That looks so good. So an hour and a half on high, mixing halfway. Look at that. Beer cheese dip.
Perfect for dip.
Looks so good. Okay, now since it is football Sunday, I have my array of toppings for everyone to enjoy. Go ahead and grab, a little pretzel bite that we toasted, and then we're gonna dig in. Oh yeah, and enjoy.